welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you're new, welcome, much love to you, and do subscribe to be a part of the Nutritious lifestyle family. In this video, I'm so happy and excited to share with you a delicious and nutritious steamed cabbage, and I'm going to do this to perfection. So just watch me work and stay tuned for that.
So we start by preparing our vegetables. I'm using onion, carrots, garlic, scallion and thyme, sweet pepper, tomatoes. Just prep these. So I just julienne the carrots and then regular chop and all of the other vegetables. First thing we're going to do is fry up nearly all of our vegetables. So everything except the okra and sweet pepper. So we're frying these up together, like sauteing them in the oil for maybe a minute and a half until the carrots are a little bit wilted. After about a minute and a half, we're adding in our cabbage. So the cabbage is just chopped roughly. It's not finely chopped, roughly chopped. So there are some nice big pieces in there. Adding in sweet pepper and okra to the top, salt and pepper. We're going to mix this around after that so that the rest of the vegetables are coated with the oil. And then I'm going to cover this down and allow it to steam for roughly 2 to 2.5 minutes, and then it is ready. It's done. That's it. So it's cabbage, steamed cabbage, under 5 minutes. Alright, so look how beautiful this looks, so vibrant. If you're thinking about switching to plant-based, this is how we eat. Alright, beautiful vegetables all around. Very delicious food, so we're not missing anything. We're actually adding a lot of other nutrients to our diets.
Okay, so there goes some very delicious. Most of the vegetables are still crunchy. It has a beautiful flavor. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. So give it a try and share it with those that you love. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, as always, eat well, walk good.